Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off the screensaver on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do on the home screen on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone, just scroll up and then select the settings button. And then scroll down just a little bit and select the display and touch tile. There should be an item underneath appearance that says screensaver. Go ahead and select that. So then at this point, you can choose from a variety of different screensaver options. So the first option is just to have the screensaver on or off just by toggling that top option here. And you can adjust the type of screensaver, whether you want the clock, a specific color, or if you have different photos on your device. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, on how to go about setting that. You just would select whatever item you like, and then you could just preview it as well by selecting the little preview button to see what it would look like. So like I said, pretty straightforward. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.